Hey guys, this is Jim Aydelotte. I'm the lease option coach, and I'm excited to share with you the fact that I'm going to be teaching a full day workshop for the Michigan Real Estate Investors Group, and that's going to be on Saturday the 18th at the MSU Management Education Center in Troy, Michigan, right off Westlake Road in 75. We're going to start at 9, probably go close to 5, and I'm going to spend a day with you digging into the techniques that I've been using for the last 20 years part-time that has set me financially free. We'll be talking about not just kind of the mechanics of lease options, but how to use them, the kind of properties you should be looking for, and by the way, the kind of properties you should be staying away from is just as important. So we'll be talking about that. We'll talk about why lease options are so lucrative. What is the ability, where are the profit centers in lease options in creative financing type deals? I'll be talking to you about how to make offers. We'll be covering where to find motivated sellers. We'll talk about negotiating the deal. We'll look at how to actually move that property quickly and benefit from the cash flow of creative financing deals using lease options. Massive profit centers that have just continued to benefit me and others like me that have been using these techniques for many years, Wendy included. And so we're going to talk about, I want you to really think about putting cash in your pocket quickly. So I want to be sharing with you how to put $5, $10, $15, $20,000 in your bank account in 30 days or less. That's really the focus that I want you to have. And I want to be showing you exactly what to do in order to accomplish that. So we'll talk about not wasting time and chasing people and how to do this part-time. Even if you got a full-time job, that's okay. You can make 6 figures part-time if you put 5 to 10 hours a week invested into this technique. I guarantee you that if you do what I tell you to do, you will be successful. Every one of my students that does what I tell them to do are successful 100% of the time, and I'm excited to share those techniques with you. So, Michigan Real Estate Investors, we'll see you Saturday, 9 a.m. at the MSU Management Education Center in Troy off Westlake Road. And by the way, don't forget, if you want to be a shark, you got to hang around sharks. So I'll see you there. Don't miss it.